Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock register manually. First, gather your essential materials such as a sturdy notebook, a reliable pen, and a calculator for quick computations. Next, set up your register by drawing clear columns for the date, a detailed item description, quantity in, quantity out, and the current balance. Remember to assign a unique identification number to each distinct product you track for easy reference. When new stock arrives, the first step is to accurately record it. Begin by writing down the current date and a clear, concise description of the incoming item. Then, in the quantity in column, carefully note the exact number of units received. Finally, update your running balance by adding this new quantity to the previous total, ensuring your register always reflects the most current stock level. Just as important as recording incoming stock is tracking items as they leave. For every item dispatched, record the date and a brief description of the transaction. Next, input the precise number of items leaving your inventory into the quantity out column. To maintain accuracy, subtract this dispatched quantity from your previous balance, giving you the updated, current stock total for that specific item. To ensure your manual stock register remains accurate, regular reconciliation is key. Aim to conduct a physical count of your stock regularly, perhaps once a week or monthly, depending on your volume. Compare this physical count with the balance recorded in your register. If you find any differences, investigate them immediately to identify and correct any errors, keeping your inventory records precise and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.